Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to install Microsoft Visual Studio. The easiest way to get started with C# is to use an IDE. An IDE is used to edit and compile code. In our tutorial we will use Visual Studio Community, which is free to download from Microsoft official website. So let's get started. You can download it from Microsoft official website, but I am installing from Microsoft Store. It's easy to install. Just search Visual Studio and this is our Visual Studio Community 2022. Click here. Just click in install button. Here is the beginning of Microsoft Visual Studio installer. Click on continue. Now it's downloading Visual Studio. Here Microsoft Visual Studio is installed successfully. Once the Visual Studio installer is downloaded and installed, choose the .NET workload and click the install button. After the installation complete, click on the launch button. On the start window, choose create new project. Choose console app.NET Core from the list and click the next button. Enter the name of your project and click on the next button and click on the create button. Visual Studio will automatically generate some code for your project. The code should look something like this. Don't worry if you don't understand the code above. We will discuss it in detail in later chapter. For now, focus on how to run the code. Run the program by pressing F5 button on your keyboard. This will compile and execute your code. The result will look like something like this. Congratulations, you have now written and executed your first C# program. Thanks for watching. We will discuss syntax in next video. Stay tuned. Happy coding.